Hello everybody, today we're going to be making fasulya beda, or white beans with meat and rice. So first we're going to prepare the white beans, and we do this by soaking them in water either the day before or an hour before, but my mom says that the longer you leave them to soak, the quicker they will cook. So now we're going to move on to that, and you're going to add olive oil to a pot and onion, and you're going to add a tablespoon of salt to that, and finely chopped garlic. You can do that yourself or use this handy machine. And next you're going to add all of the white beans, and you're going to add some tomato paste as well, and of course hot boiling water. And you're going to mix that a little bit, and once that's all mixed, you're going to add some more spices like onion powder, vegetable broth seasoning powder, and coriander. My mom says this is the secret ingredient to this recipe, other than love, of course, so make sure you add the coriander. And you're going to leave that to cook for about 1 to 2 hours, checking on it every little bit and stirring it. But yeah, use your eye to see when it's ready and keep the heat on low. Next, we're going to move on to making our meat. First, we're going to wash it to get rid of the zenacha, which is basically just the nasty. So then you're going to strain it and add it to your pressure cooker with some salt and some pepper and some onion powder and some garlic powder, 7 spices seasoning, ginger, cinnamon, and finally bay leaves. Boiling hot water, and put it in your pressure cooker for about 25 minutes. And yeah, let it cook. Should look like this when it's about done. The meat should now be in a nice color, and you're going to strain that and add it to your white bean tomato paste mix. Then you're going to add ghee, and this is us preparing our rice. This is your rice cooker. You're going to add 3 cups of Egyptian rice and 1 cup of American rice. We're also going to add 2 teaspoons of salt and stir it. Make sure to get these measurements right. It's very important. And you're going to add 5 cups of boiling water. You can also use the method where you put enough just so that the knuckle of your finger is left from the top of the rice. And you're going to, wow, look at that, slow motion. You're going to click white rice and put that in the pressure cooker. The rice cooker. But yeah, that's it. We hope you enjoy. Happy white bean and ricing. Bye.